Welcome back. So we received yet another question. So the question, hey Michael, how long does it usually take for a payment to go through when using Billwerk Plus? So there are several factors that can impact how long a transaction takes. So it could be something to do with the payment method, it could be payment gateway related, or it could be additional processing steps. But if we take the general overview, and I really like this question because this is where I get to give you some fun facts. So a credit card, debit card transaction is really quick. In most transactions, it's on cards, it's authorized in real time. The payment gateway communicates with issuer, acquirer, the bank to check on the available funds, and the entire process usually takes a few seconds. Visa and MasterCard have a peak capacity of around 56,000 transactions per second, and it only takes around 130 milliseconds to complete a transaction. So that's twice the speed as a blink of the eye. Super cool. One of the other payment methods could be the digital wallets. So this could be PayPal, Google Pay. They process fairly quick, just similar to the cards. They're designed to be fast and convenient transactions. So when the payment gateway communicates with the digital wallets, you'll almost get an instant reply. So again, we're talking seconds. When it comes to bank transfer, it normally takes longer than card transaction. This is because it's communicating with the banking systems. If it's a matter of checking balance or lending money or something like that, it can take from a few hours, and sometimes we see it taking business days. We have also seen new payment methods where you have instant bank transfer, and this is of course almost as fast as the credit card transactions. The reason why I say almost as fast as a credit card transaction is because you need to log into your bank using some two-factor authentication or something similar, and it makes the transaction slower than cards.